Hi, welcome to Onsite. In this video, we will see project-to-project material transfer transaction in on-site application. So in construction projects, a lot of times you have excess material in a particular project which you want to transfer to another project. It's very easy in on-site application. So let's say I have a Sangli project which has some extra cement which I want to transfer to Satara project. So I'll go in Sangli project. I'll go to create transaction. There's a material transfer transaction here. I'll go to that. Here I can see that from is Sangli project and I have to select the destination project, which will be Satara. Now I have selected this. I will select the material that I have to transfer. So I'll click on add material here. I can see the whole stock here. Let's say I have to transfer cement. So I will select that. Now let's say I will transfer 400 bags of cement at a unit rate of 360 rupees per bag. In case if I want to add any additional charge like transportation something, I can add that. Let's say I will add. If I have to add some reference number, eBay bill number, or vehicle number, I can do that as well. Or if I have to upload some reference files, I can add them. I'll click on save. So as you can see, the moment I save this transaction, the total expense amount in this particular project reduced by the transfer value. Now I'll go to Satara project. In the Satara project, I still cannot see the transfer transaction. I still cannot see that this material has been received because I have to first create a received entry. So I'll go to material tab. I can see pending to receive items. I can see this particular transfer has been done from Sangli. I'll click on this. This 400 bags have been received here. In case if some quantity has been defected, I will place that as add defected quantity. In this case, let's say I received the whole quantity. So I'll just click on save. The moment I save this, I can see this transaction as transfer in the Satara project also. And the expense amount has also increased. So that's how you create the material transfer transaction. In case if I have to delete this transaction, I will first have to delete this from the destination project. So I'll click on this. I will delete this particular transaction here. I'll click on delete. So the moment I delete this transaction will again be visible in the material tab in pending to receive because I have deleted the received entry of this particular transaction, but still the dispatch entry is there. So I will go back into the Sangli project again. I can see this transaction and I will have to delete it over here in case if I want to delete it. That's all. Cool. Thank you. Hi,